Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Inquisitive. Today I am going to show you how to reset Samsung Galaxy J6. So first of all, power off your phone. After the vibration, the phone will completely power off. Then press and hold the power key and the volume up key. Power and volume up. Press and hold these two keys simultaneously. And when you got the vibration, release the keys. And your phone will be booted into recovery mode. Here you can see. From here, now use your volume up and down key to navigate to the wipe data and factory reset option. After coming to the wipe data factory reset option, now press the power key and now again press the volume down key to go to the yes option. After selecting yes, again hit the power key and when factory reset has done, you will be return into this screen. Here you can see the recovery log, data wipe complete. That's the main factory reset already done. So now the top option reboot system now will be selected by default, and now hit the power key to reboot your phone. And now your phone will be started normally, and you have to complete the setup wizard. After doing a hard reset, first time boot up will take longer times. Now select your language, then tap on this icon. You have to agree to the end user license agreement. Now you can rename your phone as your wish. You can also set up your screen lock from this screen. I'm not doing it now. You can use other options. You have to confirm the PIN twice. You can directly set up your fingerprint. Now you will get some options for showing in the lock screen. I will do it later. and the setup wizard has been completed. So that's it. Hope this video will be helpful, and if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, and if you want to know anything about this phone, or if you need any help, please let me know in the comment section. I will try to help you, and please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you in the next one.